Hi everyone, I'm Yuval Jacobson from CryptoPotato, and I will be giving you the weekly update on the market. Let's wait a few seconds for people to come in. In the meantime, you can write me in the comments where you're from. We're always interested to know where our followers are from. Let's wait a few moments.
This guy needs to go here. זה אמור לעלות. טוב. Let's see if we have any comments. We got one person. Just wait 1 second.
I will be giving you the weekly.
All right, should we start? 2 people.
Yeah. Okay, let's begin. Wait a few more moments. Okay, so this week we've seen panic in the market. In the last 24 hours, altcoins have been dropping, losing all possible support against the sharp rise of Bitcoin. Only a few alts have survived despite the Bitcoin's last week's surge. In the past few hours, there has been a balanced trend and the declines have stopped. In total, the alts lost an average of about 25% of their value against Bitcoin, and in contrast to that, Bitcoin breaks the resistance at the $4,400 levels and continues upwards to the rates of over $4,700. The dispute in Bitcoin. Industry companies have begun to take a stand on the fork that is expected to take place in mid-November. It seems that some of the involved personnel are retracted from the New York Agreement. For those who don't know, the New York Agreement states that if SegWit is activated on August 2017, then on November 2017, the real fork will occur and will increase the block size from 1 megabytes to 2 megabytes, and this will reduce the load on the Bitcoin network. The rapid decline in the altcoins market caught most of the players when they were not ready. Everything happened very quickly, and investors are looking for reasons. Some can be explained by the fact that on October 25th, a friendly fork will occur on Bitcoin, named Bitcoin Gold, or some call it B-Gold. Similar to the previous fork, anyone holding Bitcoin on the said day will receive coins in the form of new B-Gold, and it will be in the chain according to the quantity of Bitcoin that he held. Unlike previous forks, such as Bitcoin Cash or SegWit 2x, which is scheduled for November, B-Gold chose a different mining method for Bitcoin, using GPU graphics cards. This indicates that the Bitcoin network will not be affected nor lose any mining power. Let's go on. The crypto market continues to grow and rise. Although the altcoins have fallen strongly in the past 2 weeks, the market cap, which is the total size of the crypto market size, has grown. As the money does not come out of the market, but rather makes its way from altcoins to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is already returning to represent 50% of the dominance. ICOs are refusing to calm down. This week we also seen successful fundraising of tens of millions of dollars, which ended in a few hours. For example, PayPal, which is an ERC20 token on the network of Ethereum, and Red Pulse, which is very hyped to be known, it was issued on the Neo platform. The first token sale on Neo led to a quick sharp rise in the exchange rate of Neo, which did not hold water because of the sharp rise in Bitcoin, and also because many bought Neo to participate in the token sale of Red Pulse. In the end, some people got stuck with it. It is important to note that a large proportion of the token issuances that have been traded recently have lost terms of investment. Investors should take extra care and carefully examine their investments. Okay, let's continue. In addition, this week a phenomenon began with the distribution of tokens on the Ethereum network, such tokens as eBTC, ELTC, EXMR, and so on. The amazing thing here is that the distribution was done by listing basic details, and the coins were already added to the Ether Delta decentralized exchange. You cannot argue with results. EBTC has risen hundreds of percents, created money from air to satisfied investors. And let's continue. Okay, now we'll talk about trends in specific coins. Let's dig into that. So as said before, the Bitcoin continues to rise during the past week. The support is around $4,400, but the market seems to be going up. The reason is probably due to the planned fork. We all remember the profitable results of the latest fork in August. The graph shows that the tunnel being built and the target price around $4,800, and we are getting very close to it. Moving to Ethereum. Comparing to the Bitcoin, Ethereum maintains ground level around 40465 Bitcoin. Ethereum had lost 5% of its value against Bitcoin in the past 24 hours, but still looks strong. The test of support is in these levels, which are the lowest areas of Ethereum versus Bitcoin recently. Comparing to the US dollar, the graph looks positive. We have seen a double top, but stability is gained above $300. Moving to Steam. Trading versus Bitcoin looks good. Looks negative, similar to the negative trends in the alts. We are approaching areas of the lowest levels in May. Support lies at 0.0023 Bitcoin, with strong resistance around 0.0003 Bitcoin. Are we in the bottom? Probably. Who knows? Stratis. The coin is in a clear downward trend. Every time there was a stabilization attempt, the value broke down again and again. Okay, let's move to NEO. NEO saw huge volatility in the NEO graph this week. Since the pump, the NEO has not been stabilized yet, and there seems to be areas of demand around the support level at 0.005 Bitcoin. Strong resistance is around 0.008 Bitcoin. In the range between them, the graph is very, very volatile. Versus the dollar, the value of NEO is positive and trades around $30 at the moment. Thank you very much. See you next week.